yeah, I feel sorry to my neighbor, but I really need to step that hard to 6,000. So, but 3 times, is very bad. But let's do it. The error here. So P1120-61 throttle valve position control failure. That's why we have this video to replace the throttle body. Bear in mind, you may not need to reinstall the throttle body or replace the throttle body when you run into this failure. You can probably reset this failure by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes or overnight. At least in my case, I disconnected the battery overnight and then reconnect in the morning, and then it did reset the failure. The reason I was doing the replacement was because the car was old, and then I just want some peace of mind. And again, I need to step really hard for 3 times to reset some other errors. So I just bite the bullet and buy the replacement. But in your case, you may make your own judgment. And I hope you found this video useful. And thank you. Okay, so this is where our throttle body is located. So I actually slightly removed this. So this is 7 millimeters, I think, and then this hose. So it may get stuck. So you may need some tool to help you. But I have been removing it for a few times already. So if you got some tools that you can those trim removal tools, or some kind of hook that can help you to slip inside here, then it will help you to pull the hose. But anyway, this is we have to remove this and then disconnect it. So basically just click on the here, so click on the end here, so you can see what if you click on this, it will slightly go up, and then it will help you let you to release this. If you pull it in this direction, there are 4 bolts, I think. One is a Torx here, so another is very interesting double socket, I guess, double nuts. Oh, this thing is blocking my way, but I don't know if I need to, but anyway, it's so here, on the left side, you can see there's some bolts locking to well, actually a nut locking to a bolt. So this is very interesting. So but yeah, so I'm going to remove this. Should not be too difficult, to be honest, based on what I saw from people. But yeah, finger crossed. So I got this removed. So this is how it looks like. So when you got it removed, so it's supposed to be mounting there like that, and then I think this is the offender here, the sensor that probably go wrong. So it is a bit tired, to be honest, quite some age, right? So I mean, although after restarting the car, the fault was gone, but I think I will just order a new parts for this, instead of coming back. Removal was not that difficult. So you got this very long bolt here, right? So the interesting thing is it got double, so it got additional nuts that holding that thing. So basically something like this, mounting on top of it. So basically you have to undone 3 of this 6 times. So because you got each of that got additional nuts. And then this one is T30 Torx. So yeah, it's not that hard, to be honest. And then is also we got this bracket that mounting this thing, so basically it sit on top of the nut. So imagine the nut looks like this, right? So it's mounting on the body, right? So it got like this, and then the nuts mounting this bracket. Oh, I guess that's maybe the reason why we have a design like this. So but yeah, this is what it is. And I guess I'll just reuse this gasket because it seems okay. So but yeah, I mean, again, just like every single things in this car is the access. So you can see that eventually I have to remove the battery tray to get access, which is, you know, is not end of the world, but you know, can be better, right? So yeah, but anyway, I'm kind of get used to it, and then these bolts are not the worst to remove, to be honest. So yeah, this is how you can remove this. Okay, now only a few days after, so I bought a new you know, throttle assembly. So yeah, this is the new one. So I think the parts number are the same, like yeah, so it's not very clear because of the light here, but you know, they should be the same. Yeah. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to refit this back to the body. So it should be super simple. So just, I think just need to take this the gasket, whatever seal, you know, put it to well, actually that's weird. Okay, so I don't have the same seal. Sorry, yeah, so this is actually a bit weird here because like yeah, I can see a seal here, I don't see a seal here. Wait, what, why? Do I need to worry about this? Why? Okay, so this is about the air. So the air go to the engine, or actually the intake manifold, and then so this is preventing some kind of leak, I guess. I don't know. Let me take a further look. Okay, just now I take another look. Actually, there's nothing holding this seal here, so I think it was just, you know, got stuck into the body here. So I'll just remove this thing, put it back to here, like and call it end of the day, call it done. This is, you know, interesting. So yeah, I think it will work, right? It doesn't look too bad, I think. So yeah, so he's now putting this thing back. So just, I remember, you know, I have this, also this, and then the last one is this. So like something like this. So you can see Torx, and then the double nut thingies here to mount the bracket. So yeah, let's give it a go. Okay, actually when I think about this again, well, actually when I think about this again, right, the correct alignment for this would be like this, like this, like this, and this. Okay, so the Torx should go here, the top go here, and then like all the three nuts, you know, double nuts going to be here. So yeah. Okay, so I got the bolts in here, and then like another two beneath this. So like now I need to put this bracket here, right? So you can see here, I think it's like mounting to the bottom bolts. I didn't remove that hose, so it's very hard to see, but anyway, you should probably understand what I'm talking about, I guess. Like, you know, if you're trying to redo this thing. So I got this mount. I just need to put the bolts back in, you know, here in the bottom, and then another bracket here. So this bracket should go to this bracket here should go to like the bolts underneath here, and then finally I will just mount this, and then, you know, push this thing inside again, and then yeah, I will have the you know, the photo assembly we install. Okay, now so we got this photo body refitted. The bracket, you know, both, you know, all this bracket nuts, you know, was you know, put back to where it was. Oh, I forgot to mount this cable here, although I connected this thing. But yeah, and then let me do it. Okay, here now. Okay, it's in. Secure the hose, make sure you secure it, and then maybe you need to put back the bolts mounting this air hose if you actually undone this to give yourself access. So yeah, that's, you know, how you got a new photo assembly install. You can test your photo, which is, you know, it should be a very amazing moment, right? So but yeah, because of time I'm not going to show it now, because yeah, anyway. And well, there's actually, if you you know, to fix that issue, there's another thing that people have mentioned. It could be like the photo here itself, this assembly, you know, there's a sensor inside. That one can also, you know, be you know, because of ages, it can also run wrong, so it can also become faulty. And you know, it should be very simple to do this one. It should be like few bolts, but I didn't do it this time because first of all, it's quite expensive. It's like £100 as well. It's even more expensive than the you know, the photo assembly. And I'm just trying to see if I got any luck this time. Maybe you know, I don't need that. I mean, if in case I really need that, it would be a disaster, right? So but anyway, I hope this will help me this time. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you soon. Cheers.